Oh, man. Clean your locker day is the worst.
Shakes!
I suppose my locker is a little untidy. No ways! My adventure annuals! I loved these when I was a kid. Oh, this one's my favorite. About 100 years ago, a Brazilian businessman named Albert Douglas Ventura took on the most insane football project ever. Building a stadium in the middle of the Amazon jungle. Ooh. But the extreme location made construction a nightmare. His crew bailed on him, but Ventura stuck it out, refusing to abandon his dream.
You do know that's totally made up, right?
Yeah, North.
Of course.
The lost stadium is totally real, Shakes.
Oh, yeah? And where's Ventura now?
He never returned from the jungle. Anacondas, piranhas, panthers! The Amazon is a dangerous place.
Brazil has something even more dangerous than all of that. And he's coming to Strikas.
Match day at Strikas.
And Supa Strikas are struggling to deal with Palmentieri's star man,
The master of flair,
the Samba King, Donaldo!
Welcome to the end of the road.
Ha! You think you can stop my samba style? That's cute.
Yeah, you ain't getting past us this time.
Ha! You still don't get it? When you're as skilled as me, you do as you please. Ha-ha!
the Brazilian maestro has made the league's best defenders look like amateurs.
They had no answer for his unpredictable style.
All right, dropping in.
North Shore, you'll never stop Donaldo by diving in recklessly. You need to focus on the ball, not the man.
Yeah, not the ground either, dude.
This isn't good, man. Donaldo seriously damaged their confidence.
That's an understatement. We've got one defender who's playing too aggressively, and another who isn't playing at all.
Come on, Block. Just one tackle, a little one. Please?
He says he's fine. As long as his teddy sharing him helps him practice.
Those two need a break, a chance to get their heads back in the game.
How are we gonna do that and get them to Rio in time for the return leg?
I think I have a way. North, Block, I'm sending you on a confidence-building session in the Amazon before the game.
A jungle adventure?
At a luxury hotel.
What? But it's the Amazon jungle, Coach. It's meant to be about danger and excitement, not room service and little tiny shampoo bottles.
The hotel has all the facilities and privacy you'll need to focus on stopping Donaldo.
And who are we meant to play against? The bellboy?
The world's greatest strike force.
Have I ever told you guys I was a junior wilderness cadet? I promised to use my cadet survival skills to keep us safe in the Amazon.
Yeah, Klaus. Maybe you can get your ordering room service badge.
I got that one ages ago.
You gotta try to make the most of the situation, dude.
Whatever.
And here's my Junior Wilderness Cadet Navigation badge, my Campfire badge, my Air Guitar badge, my Mime badge, my Listing Things badge, my Crochet badge, my Life of the Party badge, my Pancake Eating badge, my Growing Up badge, my Not Understanding Social Cues badge.
Whoa. This is gonna be epic.
Glad to see you're making the most of the situation.
No point in complaining. Yep. Totally gonna make the most of the situation.
Come on out. This jetty has been certified safe by a junior wilderness cadet.
Hold up, North. Coach said someone from the hotel was meeting us here.
Come on, the place is just around the corner. Besides, we need to start practicing ASAP, right?
Yeah, but...
We got our gear, we got the players, all we need is the pitch.
Okay, but only if you're sure you know where the hotel is.
Don't worry, dude. I know exactly where we're going.
Dancing Rasta. That was the hotel. North and the others didn't make their rendezvous.
What?
They're somewhere in the jungle. You're in charge till I get back.
But coach, they're lost in the Amazon. That'll be like trying to find...
Some guys lost in the Amazon.
Then I better get started. What is that stuff?
Oh, this? Volcanic ash and watermelon. Yeah, I fly some unusual jobs.
You're hired.
Name's Mara. Where are we headed?
North, didn't you say the hotel was right around the corner?
Chillax! It's a big corner.
Yeah, what is that?
I've got the Junior Wilderness Cadet Sound Identification Badge. It's a panther growl. No. It's the wind. Perhaps thunder? I've got it! It's a waterfall!
Jangham's gone, bro! He's gone!
North, what have you done?
Why would we want to hang out in some lame hotel when we can go on an epic adventure?
You didn't!
That's right! We're gonna find the lost stadium!
That's insane! It's some made-up story! It doesn't exist!
Shakes? My Junior Wilderness Cadet observation skills tell me that it might.
This'll do. I'll be in contact to arrange the pickup somewhere down there.
That'll be a fun landing. You sure about this?
I've got a game to win.
See? We're totally on the right path!
We're supposed to be training for the Palma game, not going on some crazy treasure hunt.
But that's the best part, dude! We can practice in the lost stadium! An actual pitch will be so much better than some hotel field.
And it's not like we can go back the way we came.
You do know this is the worst plan ever, right?
Chill! It's an adventure, dude!
Well, come on, Mr. Ventura. Lead the way.
Over here! Hurry! Look! You were right, North Shore!
Okay, you were right. The lost stadium is real. Now come on, let's go do some long overdue training.
Ah! Ouch! So much better than some hotel field, eh, North?
Yeah. It's no use, dudes. The ball's bouncing all over the place. I can't follow it.
Oh, great. Stuck in the middle of nowhere and we can't train?
Don't worry, guys. I'll use my junior wilderness cadet training to come up with a rescue plan. We'll be out of here in no time at all. We'll never get out of here. And it's all my fault. Because I'm a fake. I got all my junior wilderness cadet badges on the internet.
Wait, you didn't even have to go outside?
Well, I had the window open.
It's totally not your fault, Klaus. It's mine. Being dominated by Donaldo, it totally messed me up. But instead of facing up to it, I dragged us into some crazy adventure.
It's a panther! We're done for!
Coach! How did you find us?
I put a tracker in Sheringham. I figured he'd be the one thing you wouldn't leave behind. So, did you at least manage to do some training?
Pitch is covered with roots. It's too unpredictable.
Unpredictable, eh? Get some rest, boys. We train at first light.
What's the point of looking good if your friends aren't here to appreciate your awesomeness?
I kind of even miss Shake's smelly sauce. Nope.
Listen up, guys. If Coach says he's gonna find our brothers, he'll do it. And we gotta do our part by giving Palma the toughest game of their lives. We play our hearts out for the first 45. Keep the score at 0-0. We can do that, right?
Yeah!
Then come on. Let's get out there and do it for our brothers.
Yes!
1, 2, 3. Supa Strikas!
Game on! I've never seen Super Strikers use such a defensive formation.
Not surprising, considering half their team hasn't shown up.
What is Coach thinking?
No idea. He's missing too. Can the reserve defenders stop the Samba King?
Huh?
They don't Brilliant tackle.
It's all hands on deck for Supa Strikas.
Even their most attacking players are helping out in defense.
But the question is, how long can they keep it up?
We're almost at half-time. Don't let it slip now.
And here comes Palmentieri again. This must be the final attack of the half.
And for once, Donaldo makes it past Dancing Rasta. Can the reserve defenders stop the Samba King?
Nope! His movements are just too unpredictable.
Ecstasy for Palmentieri, but agony for Supa Strikas.
Is that a halftime show we don't know about?
Your teammates did well, boys. Now it's your turn. Mara.
Now this is gonna be an interesting landing.
The second half is about to start, and we have unconfirmed reports coming in that...
Brenda!
Could it be?
But the way North Shaw and Block played last game, coach might be better off sticking with the reserves.
And the second half is underway.
After last game, I thought you two would run off scared. I'm gonna make you wish you had.
Now remember, watch the ball, not the man.
Coach, we tried this and failed hard. The pitch is too unpredictable.
Come on, dude. I know this isn't ideal, but
We've got to make the most of our situation, right? What? North and Block make the tackle! At the same time!
Wow! How did they make Donaldo look so predictable?
See? The unpredictable pitch is the perfect way to prepare for an unpredictable player like Donaldo.
but how's it gonna help us if we can't get back in time for the game?
Don't worry about that. Our ride is almost here. But before we leave, I want to try one more drill. I've seen what the defenders have learned. Now it's the forwards' turn.
Strikas pull one back to draw with Palmentieri in Brazil.
And they've proven Donaldo can be stopped.
Good doing business with you, Coach.
Actually, I've got one more job for you.
This is how to soak away those aches and pains.
Yeah, I think I just earned my ultimate relaxation badge.
Guys, come look at this. Remember when North said Alberto Ventura never made it out of the jungle?
Yeah?
That's because he spent the rest of his life chilling in this hotel.
It's just as well North isn't here to see this.
I still don't get why he'd want to miss out on the mega relaxation.
North hates this stuff, remember? So I gave him another chance to take on nature.
Yeah!